back to the idea of consciousness and knowledge and being. So we're looking at page 65 in the book, In Search of the Miraculous, and now we're back to 66. He says something very important. He says, but all this is entirely mechanical in man. If he lies, it means that he cannot help lying. So where's the free will in that? Sometimes with those individuals who have a tendency to talk too much, they don't know when to stop. It's a nervous habit. It's an unconscious habit. And what Gurdjieff is saying is that man is unconscious. And the idea is to awaken. But he doesn't say how to awaken. And this is where Spinoza comes in. Spinoza has a method to awaken. And that's another subject that we'll talk about in the future. So bear with me. We're going to take little pieces here and there to show exactly where we're going. Where we're going, our aim is to awaken the true intelligence, which is the understanding. Everything happens. A man can do nothing, either in himself or outside himself. He says, if he tells the truth, it means that he cannot help tell the truth. And so it is with everything. The next paragraph begins with, but of course there are limits and bounds. Generally speaking, the being of modern man is of very inferior quality. But it can be of such bad quality that no change is possible. This must always be remembered. People whose being can still be changed are very lucky. But there are people who are definitely diseased, broken machines with whom nothing can be done. And such people are in the majority. If you think of this, you'll understand why only a few can receive real knowledge. Their being prevents it. So now we're going to end this with the idea, though, that how can we awaken? And for those who are following me, you're very fortunate. You have a desire to awaken. If you have any questions, you can see my website. Looking forward to communicating these ideas, and I have other ideas I'd like to share.